Okay, resellers, I have something awesome and new for you. This is something I have never done on my channel before, and I have been dying to wait to record this video to do it. So I bought a box, this giant box, a little bundled up here, of mystery mail. I've been seeing this lady on Instagram, and she like shows these pallets that she gets of unclaimed mail, lost mail, returned mail, I don't know, and it's got all kinds of crazy fun things in it, and I'm like, that looks like so much fun. So I bought one because you never know if there's stuff in here that we can sell, or if it's just something fun and you want to keep it, or who knows, it could be a whole box of junk. We don't know. So we're going to dive in. We're going to unbox this box of mail. It's from a mystery box company, and I will share the information down below. I do have an affiliate link, so you can get a discount, I believe, or you can get, just use my link and then I get a little something. It doesn't cost you anymore. I'm not exactly sure the offer. I have to look into it more, but I am excited to get you guys put onto this if it's something cool, or if you just want to do it for fun. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So in here's just random mail. It was supposed to be, I think, either 6 to 8 or 8 to 10 pieces. I can't remember. So let's count them out first and then see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those just look like random things. 6, 7. So I don't know. Those don't look like mail. They look like just random things she threw in. So we'll just put those off to the side. So that's 3 full pieces. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This feel like shoes. What is it? 9. These just look like random things. 10, 11. Random things, and 12. So we have 12 pieces of mail in the box that are like actual mail. They, cover up who it was for. So like those are pieces of mail. And then there's just these random things that they must have thrown in. So I don't know what any of these are, but they're not mail because there's no mail code on it. So let's just go ahead and pick something. So this is flat. Adjustable shoulder strap, quality material, large capacity. Explore the world with, I don't even know what this says. So maybe it's a backpack. I mean, if I open it, then it's like very opened. Yeah, it says backpack. So it's some kind of backpack. Please note that due to the vacuum packaging process, it might have wrinkles in it. So, oh, it looks like a baseball backpack. That looks like a baseball on it. That's awesome. So my son is into baseball. So maybe I give this to him. Maybe it's a Christmas present. Or maybe I donate it to the school because sometimes they need extra backpacks for kids that can't do all their school supplies. So that's fun. I mean, I don't think that's something I would sell per se, unless I were like holding a garage sale and then I would sell it at a garage sale. So that's interesting. What's the next thing? Oh, this has a bunch of stuff in it. So this has wheels, like wheels that attach onto something. This is weird. Okay. Watch band pieces, like pieces that go onto a watch. Multi-cleaning pen. And press-on nails. So that's just a bunch of junk. So that's random. These are clearly shoes. Let's see what kind of shoes. Ooh, so like loafers. Black loafers, size 39. I mean, that's something I could possibly sell. They're not branded, so I don't know. I don't know if that's not really a Poshmark sale probably, so we may not get anything that we're actually going to sell on Poshmark. There are some things that seem like there's clothing, so let's see what this is. This is small. I never do stuff like this, so I thought it would be fun. And if you are somebody that likes fun boxes like this was $110. This was the smaller box. They have larger boxes. This is a phone case. So it's for the iPhone 13 Pro, like a clear case. So fashion case, mobile cover products. So not anything too great. Let me put this off to the side. So let's do this. This is clothing. So far nothing I want to sell on Poshmark, but garage sale stuff for sure. Okay, so we have some clothing. Multiple clothings. So size large. So these are just sport shorts, size large in 3 colors. There is no brand, but I'm a size large. I could do shorts. I don't know if these are women's or men's. I'll have to try them on, but that's totally something that I could sell. So that's cool. So either these are for me or something I could sell. And what's cool is black and teal, those, you know, kind of go with some of our school colors and baseball team colors and stuff like that. So that's good. Let's do another clothing one just to see if we can get any more Poshmark value out of it. Made in China. There's just a bunch of numbers. I have no idea what this is. Okay, so size medium, jumpsuit, no brand. It says something .fr, so it's like French. So interesting. So I mean, something that could totally be sold. It looks like for a very tall person. I mean, I am sitting on the floor, but it looks like wide leg jumpsuit that like the legs kind of open and have a slit to them. So that could be cool. I feel like the ones that have colored poly mailers, maybe they're from small businesses. So like maybe it's something cute or handmade. I could be completely making things up. Oh, elegant gold, white floral pillow cover. Okay, so we have 2 pillow covers for your living room. So there's that. This is a box. Let's see. Okay, looks like darts. Wipes. This is something. It's got 2 wipes that removes excess dirt. Oh my god. This is like for a cell phone. Like I don't even. This is like part of a cell phone. I don't know. I don't know what this is. So that's weird. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally 20 bucks. Listen, I don't know if this is going to be good or not, but if you're the kind of person that likes to, you know, spend $100 on something and be like, you never know what you're going to get. Like, you could get something that's worth $600. You could get who knows what, because they're not open. So you have no idea what's in here. You could get anything. Ooh. Unruly 321. Bottega Desires with like a crying Statue of Liberty. I don't know what that is all about. So some sort of counterculture wear. Somebody who's mad at America. I don't know what that's all about, but it's clothing. I can sell it more easily than some of the other things. Ooh. Patch installation cleaning kit. Full coverage film ceramics, anti-shock for iPad Pro. Okay, so this goes onto your iPad so maybe it doesn't break. So that could be useful. All right. A lot of like cell phone things and iPad things. I've got 2 boxes and then all the little random stuff. This is promising. A box and a box. Box and a box from the Home Shopping Network. Okay, so it's interesting because they take everything off of the outside so I can't see who it's for. But here I can see who it's for. And it does say what it is, so I'll check it out. But it was $39.99 value. And I do see the person's address, which is not good. So, Bluetooth calling, virtual assistant, social app message reminder, heart rate monitor, eye time for iOS, Android compatible. So, that is nice. Like a whole brand new watch set with all of the accessories and bands. So we'll have to look up how much that could be worth. I mean, it says she paid $39.99 for it. That's something. I mean, not $110 worth, but that's something. That's worthwhile. Do I need the sleeve on it? I don't know. All right, we got another box here. So I don't know. I thought like I was going to be more excited about the poly bags with the clothing, but as I suspected, it's just kind of like, you know, cheap crap. But, you know, the boxes, oh my God, so cute. So this is a desktop tree for Christmas time. So cute. So, I mean, it's damaged, but it's brand new and obviously has all the parts in it. So that's cute. Maybe I could sell that on Facebook Marketplace, you know, for $5 or $10. So that could be good. So unfortunately the box is, you know, all messed up, but that's something. So I'm feeling like this might be like a lot of Facebook Marketplace kind of stuff, not so much Poshmark stuff, but that's okay. I like selling things on Facebook Marketplace. It's kind of like a side hustle to my side hustle. And actually, if you want to know more about it, I was actually planning on doing a video at some point. So if you're curious about the kinds of things that I do sell on Facebook Marketplace as a side hustle to my reselling, let me know in the comments below. Just write down like FB and I'll know that's for Facebook and we can check that out. Also, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this box? Like, do you think that this is worth it because it's fun and you never know and like something can be useful for you, or you could give it as a gift or sell it on Facebook Marketplace? I definitely don't think at this point I'm making back my money or making profit, but it is fun and I got to open it and share it with you on the channel. So now let's look at all these little things. So let me know in the comments below, what are you thinking? Have you ordered one of these? Would you order one of these? So this is Keeney Beauty invitation card and it's lip oil. So it's brand new lip oil. So that's cute. So I'm wondering if like maybe they got a box of a bunch of stuff that includes all of these things, and they just kind of sprinkle them in people's boxes as like bonus stuff. So another one. So that's cool because like then there's 2 of them. Like I could sell that on Facebook Marketplace as like 2 of them. I mean, obviously I have to look it up and see what it's worth. So maybe they're just like packaging up these little things because they get them in bulk. Okay, a ring with hearts on it, but it looks like a man's ring. So maybe these are just jewelry things. If that is the case, I can, you know, I love making mystery boxes. This is another man's ring with like elephants on it. You can't really see. Then maybe I would do some kind of mystery box thing for like a garage sale. These look like all men's like costume jewelry. So, I mean, it sounds like they're trying to, you know, I mean, there's more packages in here than I was expecting. And then all these little bonus packages. This is some kind of necklace. Is it a bunch of junk? I think so. But it was still fun to open. And you never know, like some things do serve a purpose. That's another heart ring. This one's nice. So it says size 8. The other ones don't say sizes. That's the problem with rings. But this one says size 8 on it. And it does look like a woman's. Like, this is cute. I mean, I wouldn't wear it, but. You can see it's like opal or some kind of iridescent something. So, okay. Well, you live, you learn. You know, here's the thing. I do think I would order it again because it is fun to open stuff up and share it on the channel. Like, you never know. Like the baseball backpack, that's cool. That could have been 20 bucks. And the little Christmas tree, if I could sell that for 5 or 10. And, you know, if I could sell this for 20 or 30, I'll make back some of my money. I won't make back all of it. The shorts could be great for me. That's probably a good 20 or 30 bucks worth of shorts at least. So, you know, it's like stuff that you didn't necessarily know that you needed, but it's still fun. So listen, if you want to order one, like I said, I got the $110 box. There's one that's even bigger, so maybe that has the good stuff in it. I don't know, maybe I'll try that next time. Let me know in the comments below if I should do another one, but a bigger box, and see if you get more valuable things in there since it costs more money. But anyway, the company and the link is down below. I'm also going to have it in my Rebecca the Reseller resource guide. So if you are interested in getting one for yourself, go ahead and use my link. I greatly appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything more. It's just a nice little way to say thank you to me. I'll get a little affiliate commission. I think it's like 2%. It's not a lot, but I do appreciate it because every little bit helps. And I would like, the lady was super nice. I messaged with her because I was having trouble getting set up with the affiliate, and she was very nice, and she messaged with me and she set me up right away, and so I explained everything. So she was super nice and I appreciated that. So it's nice to support, you know, the people behind these businesses. Anyway, thanks, and I will see you next time. Bye. PosherVA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add PosherVA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.